Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about my friend. Number 1. My friend's name is Ria. Number 2. She is very kind. Number 3. She loves reading books. Number 4. We study and help each other with homework. Number 5. She is very supportive. Number 6. Ria and I share our secrets and dreams. Number 7. We love watching movies together. Number 8. She loves nature. Number 9. She enjoys gardening. Number 10. Ria always stays positive. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.